Hey everybody, Mungo Dark Matter here today. So I'm trying to learn how to fly a drone because I want to take some video with a drone. And so I thought I'd kind of chronicle or update you on my efforts. So thus far, one of the things I'm kind of concerned with is laws and regulations about flying drones. If a drone is over 1 pound, you have to register it. So as long as you have a drone under 1 pound, you don't have to register it. And so I'm trying to initially practice with drones that are under 1 pound, that are kind of cheap. So if something happens to them, it's not that big of a deal. I mean, I don't want to spend $500 or $1,000 on a really good drone and either lose it or crash it and destroy it. So I figure it's best I learn how to do it first. So I joined the AMA, and I don't mean the American Medical Association. AMA stands for the Academy of Model Aeronautics, which is an association for people who fly radio control aircraft of different types, including model planes and drones. So I joined that, and then I joined the local RC or radio control club that deals with flying radio control things, to find out more information and to hopefully get some sort of training or something. And I found out some interesting things thus far. There are various drones you can get that you can practice with that are easier to practice with, and I'll go into that as I learn more about these different drones and what ones I think are easy to fly. The most interesting thing that I found out was that you can get flight simulators that are designed for people who are using radio-controlled airplanes and drones. I got a special version which is just for drones, and on a later video I hope to kind of do a little review on that and show you what it's like. The neat thing about this program is you can get it with this controller that plugs into your PC with a USB cord, and it's just like a radio control controller that you would use for a drone or for an airplane. So that's pretty cool. The other cool thing about it is if you actually have a drone or a radio control aircraft and you have a controller for it, the controller will actually link up to that controller, so you can use the actual controller of the plane that you're practicing with or the drone that you're practicing with. So that's a pretty cool feature of the software as well. So I've been checking that out. The name of the program is called Real Flight, and they actually have a little simulator that you can get for your iPhone or your iPad or tablet, so you can practice on there as well. The name of the program is Real Flight Simulator, and they actually have versions for your smartphone or your iPhone or your iPad or your tablet or your Android tablet or whatever. So you can actually practice a kind of a simulator using your tablet or whatever. Although with those versions you're not really connecting with an actual radio controller, but it kind of helps, I guess. You learn how the controls work at least and how to maneuver it. So I'll be trying those out and letting you know how those work in future videos. I'm Mungo Dark Matter, and this has been Dark Matters, and whatever you do, enjoy technology.